Today I'm twisting my hair up, and I just want to show you how I do that. The first thing I'm going to add is the shea butter, smoothing it onto my hair, and then I'm going to add the herbal oil. Make sure it's in real good. I'm not using any water, and then I use the coconut curling cream to lock in. Add more oil, add more cream as you need it so you can get it really nice and shiny. And then twist. Should be this moisturized and this shiny when you twist. And then when you get done, it's going to release and it's going to get plump like this. And then you're done. And then smooth down as you twist, so you can make sure you have that nice definition in your hair. Smooth it down and twist very, very tight. But not to the point where you hurt your head, but tight enough where you know that it's nice and smooth. So to check your ends and to see if they need to be trimmed as well. Mine's need a little trimming right at the end, and I'll just trim right at the end. Put a little product on it to help you really get that curl moisturized, and then you can see where it naturally needs to be trimmed. So right for me, right at the tip. See, then it's nice and perfect. You see how that's twirling? And then there's no extra end on there. I trimmed that off. Keep your hair nice and even and neat. If your twists get to a point where they you want them to be more stretched, I add these little bitty clips, and I will put them on my roots here and clip them down. So here's how I do that. I have this one already on, and just pull them down. See how they shrink? You just pull them down and just clip on them. You can also clip them, you know, back like you're wrapping your hair as well, if you want to keep them from getting shrunken while you're asleep. These are ways you can stretch them so they can hang a little longer. So, all right, see you guys later. Bye. All right, see you guys later. See you later. Bye. Until the next video, please like, comment, and subscribe.